Recently, the Kazakhstan Air Force, Kazakh Air Defense Forces, received 6 additional new Su-30SM fighter jets from Russia. The planes have registration numbers 51 to 56 red. This 2-seat multirole fighter was delivered to Unit 55,652 to operate alongside Su-25s at 602 Air Base, Shymkent. As is known, this base used to house the last 15 MiG-29s belonging to the Kazakh Air Force, but the aircraft were sold as scrap in November 2023. In the Central Asian region, which consists of Kazakhstan, the Kyrgyz Republic, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan, the Kazakh Air Force is the strongest. They are currently reinforced with heavy fighter jets consisting of 24 Su-27s, 43 Su-30SMs and 31 MiG-31s. For ground attack aircraft, CAS, the Kazakh Air Force operates 14 Su-25s. It was reported in April 2024 that the U.S. had acquired 81 obsolete Soviet-era fighter aircraft from Kazakhstan, including the MiG-31, MiG-27 and MiG-29 as well as the Su-24 for $2.26 million. It is likely that some of these aircraft will be refurbished or used as a source of spare parts, to then be transferred to the Ukrainian Air Force. But in a subsequent statement, Kazakhstan's state-owned arms importer and exporter Kazakh Export denied the claims, saying that foreign companies were not allowed to buy them.